Hello and welcome to WebJek. Today I will go through how to get a HTTPS secure browser with SSL Padlock on WordPress website. Why we need HTTPS secure browser? Because website with SSL secure browser is becoming more important online. Also, most search engines, including Google, are on a mission to make all websites on the internet must have HTTPS and SSL secure browser. Also, most visitors of the website trust on a site that have SSL secure web browser with Padlock. There is some easy way and easy guide, very different way to switching WordPress website HTTP to HTTPS. To get a HTTPS secure browser with SSL Padlock, we can use free WordPress plugins. It can be used the free Cloudflare service. Cloudflare is a web performance and security company. Use Let's Encrypt to get free SSL. Let's Encrypt is a non-profit certificate authority that run by Internet Security Research Group. Also, SSL certificate can be purchased from online resources. It's cost about $10 a year to up to $300 a year. Depends how you want it. Overall, all websites must have HTTPS and SSL secure browser with Padlock and SSL certificate. Let's get started. So I'm going to use really simple SSL WordPress plugin to force SSL to this my website. In order to force SSL must be present at your hosting file of your website. Currently, most hosts provide SSL certificate with hosting service. We just need to activate it. Need to reactivate. I would check my site that my site has SSL provided by my host or not before I start to activate SSL with really simple SSL plugin. Because this plugin does not create the SSL certificate, just force and activate the SSL. So I just copy the URL and we need to remove the HTTP and check. See, this domain already have the SSL. All we need to use this plugin to reactivate and force it to work. The certificate was issued by Let's Encrypt. Log in to website. On plugin, add new. Look for really simple SSL. That's the first one, we got it right here. Click to install. click to activate. Now we just to click here right now, secure workathome.com. Now we go ahead and activate the SSL. So once we activate the plugin and force SSL, we automatically logged out. So we need to log back in. So WP ADMIN. Click to log in. See, now we get a padlock and our site is secure with HTTPS workathome WP admin. Now we refresh this one right here. So using this one simple plugin, so now my website is HTTPS secured and all pages and whole website working properly. So that's it for today. If you have any question, please feel free to contact me anytime. Comment at description below. I will respond to you as soon as possible. And please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.